Welcome to EC Add-ons. Let's drive image info slide tutorial step by step. Make sure enable widget from EC panel. Now drag and drop widget.
In Repeater, you can manage image, title, description and button. From Active drop-down option, you can manage active slide. In Gap option, you can manage gap between slide. Also, you can manage minimum height of slide. Using vertical and horizontal alignment, you can manage content position as per your design. In Style tab, you can manage styling options for title, description, button, content box and box. In Mobile Layout, we automatically manage normal info box layout. Let's check sample layout using Image Info Slide widget.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more video.